Hey guys, welcome to Happy Foods channel. Today we will make wood apple sharbat or Bael sharbat. So we will take a wood apple or Bael and break it on a hard surface. Now scrape the fruit using a knife or spoon. Be careful while scraping the fruit. Now we will add water and mash it using a hand or a blender, and then we will strain it using a strainer. Now we will add sugar, mix it till it dissolves. Now I have added mint leaves roughly chopped by hand. This gives it a fresh flavor. Now we will add half teaspoon black salt, juice of half a lemon, give it a mix. Now we will pour it in a vessel or a pot with some ice cubes. To serve, I have taken a mixture of black salt and red chili powder and rimmed the glasses using the lemon. I haven't rimmed full because I didn't like too much salt in my drink. You can rim fully, it's up to you. Like this way. Okay, now we will garnish with lemon and mint leaves and some ice cubes. We will pour it in a glass. Now we will add ice cubes, a lemon wedge and some mint leaves. You can enjoy this chilled. Cheers. Hope you like it. If you are liking the video, please share.